What comes to mind when you think of a five-star meal? Most people imagine rare truffles, expensive steaks, or ingredients flown in from faraway lands. But here's a surprising fact. The true secret of five-star cooking isn't about what's on your shopping list, it's about how you treat what you have. Top chefs can turn humble carrots or potatoes into something extraordinary, simply by using the right techniques. It's easy to believe that only culinary school graduates can cook restaurant-worthy dishes. But anyone, even beginners, can create a meal that tastes and looks incredible. You just need a few key skills and a little patience. With good habits, practice, and the right mindset, you'll be amazed by what you can achieve in your own kitchen. The magic is in the details. It's not the price or rarity of ingredients that matters most. It's the way you prepare, season, and present what you already have. So, let's set aside the idea that you need fancy tools or a chef's diploma. Let's discover how you can create a five-star meal right at home, using what's already in your fridge and pantry. Imagine this. The kitchen lights are warm, your favorite music is playing softly, and the aroma of roasting vegetables fills the air. You're not in a busy restaurant or a professional kitchen, you're at home, yet everything feels elevated, special, and full of promise. Cooking a five-star meal at home isn't just about the food, it's about setting a scene, creating an atmosphere, and taking your time. The act of cooking itself becomes an experience, not just a chore. Every step from washing produce to arranging the final plate is part of the show. Don't underestimate the power of your own kitchen. You don't need granite counters or a wall of copper pans. What matters more is your focus, your care, and your willingness to treat each meal as a special event. Even a small, simple space can become your own stage for culinary creativity. Think of yourself as the chef in your own little bistro. With each meal you cook, you're telling a story, one that's worth savoring and sharing. Many people get stuck on finding rare or expensive ingredients, but professional chefs know that the way you treat an ingredient can make all the difference. Technique is the true secret of any five-star meal. Let's take chicken as an example. A basic supermarket chicken, cooked with care, can taste far better than a fancy expensive bird cooked badly. The way you season, sear, and rest the meat matters more than any label or price tag. The same goes for vegetables, fish, and even pasta. Learning good technique isn't about memorizing hundreds of recipes, it's about understanding the basics, how to chop, how to sauté, and how to use your senses to judge when something is done. These skills are simple, and anyone can learn them with a bit of practice. Online videos and cookbooks, like mine, are full of guidance to help you master the essentials. So next time you cook, focus less on chasing rare ingredients. Instead, give your attention to the process. That's where the real magic happens, and it's what will make your cooking stand out. If you want your meal to shine, start with the best ingredients you can find, without breaking the bank. It's not about buying the most expensive items at the store, it's about choosing fresh, in-season produce and simple proteins that look and smell good. A handful of ripe tomatoes, a bunch of fragrant herbs, or a perfectly fresh fish can be the foundation of a stunning dish. Don't feel you need a long list of exotic items. In fact, too many ingredients can muddle flavors and make the cooking process harder. When you shop, look for bright colors, crisp textures, and a fresh scent. Trust your senses. If something feels limp, bruised, or dull, skip it. Invest in a few standout ingredients rather than filling your cart with lots of average ones. You'll notice the difference on your plate. Remember, even simple ingredients can become extraordinary when prepared with care. Less is often more. By focusing on quality, you'll set yourself up for success before you even turn on the stove. Ever wonder how professional chefs keep their kitchens so calm and organized? Their secret is mise en place, a French phrase meaning everything in its place. Before they cook, chefs prepare and measure every ingredient, chop their vegetables, and line up their tools. This simple step changes everything. Mise en place keeps you from scrambling around at the last minute. No more burning onions while searching for a spatula, or realizing you're missing an ingredient halfway through a recipe. With everything prepped and ready, you can move smoothly from step to step, just like a pro. It also makes the cooking process more enjoyable. You'll feel confident, relaxed, and able to focus on technique. Plus, cleanup is easier when you're not rushing and making a mess. Spend a few extra minutes setting up and you'll save time and stress in the long run. Try it next time you cook. Read through your recipe, prep every ingredient, and set out your tools. You'll be amazed at how much smoother, and honestly, more fun, the process becomes. One of the most important skills in cooking is understanding how to control heat. The right temperature can make the difference between a juicy steak and a tough one, or between vibrant veggies and mushy ones. Professional cooks pay close attention to this, and so can you. Start by choosing the right pan for the job. A heavy-bottom skillet holds heat well and cooks food more evenly. Always give your pan time to heat up before adding ingredients. This helps you get a perfect sear and better flavor. Remember, patience pays off. Don't be afraid to adjust the heat as you cook. Sometimes you need high heat to brown, then lower it to finish cooking gently. When in doubt, cook low and slow, especially for sauces, braises, or delicate items like eggs and fish. Learning to listen to your pan, hearing the sizzle, watching for browning, smelling the aromas, is a big part of cooking like a chef. With practice, you'll know how to coax out the best from every ingredient. Great dishes have depth. They don't just taste salty or spicy, they have layers of flavor that unfold with every bite. Chefs create this magic by seasoning in stages, not just at the end. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference. Start with a sprinkle of salt early in the cooking process. This helps draw out moisture and enhance natural flavors. Add herbs, spices, and aromatics like garlic or onion as you go. Taste often and adjust as needed. A squeeze of lemon or a dash of vinegar at the end can brighten everything. Think about texture too. Toasted nuts, crispy breadcrumbs, or a drizzle of good olive oil can take a dish from good to unforgettable. Try to balance salty, sweet, tangy, and bitter notes in your meal. It's what makes restaurant food so memorable. Don't be afraid to experiment. With practice, you'll learn how to build layers of flavor that surprise and delight every time. We eat with our eyes first. That's why restaurant plates always look so inviting. But you don't need fancy tools or years of training to make your food look beautiful. A few simple tricks can turn any meal into a visual feast. First, use a clean white plate to let your food's colors pop. Arrange your main item in the center, then add sides or garnishes with purpose. Odd numbers, like 3 shrimp instead of 4, usually look more appealing. Oh, and don't forget to wipe the edges of the plate before serving to keep things neat. Play with height and contrast, stack veggies, fan-out slices, or drizzle sauces in artistic swirls. Fresh herbs or a sprinkle of seeds add a final touch. Remember, less is more. Don't overcrowd your plate. With a few thoughtful moves, your home-cooked meal will look as impressive as anything from a top restaurant. The food is only part of the 5-star experience. The atmosphere you create matters just as much. Think about lighting. Soft, warm lamps or even candles make dinner feel special. Music sets the mood, whether it's jazzy, classical, or your favorite playlist. Set the table with care. Use real napkins, your best plates, and a simple centerpiece, like a vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of lemons. Don't forget to clear away clutter and make the space feel welcoming. These small details show your guests and yourself that the meal is something to savor. Even if you're eating alone, treat yourself. The right atmosphere turns an ordinary dinner into an experience you'll remember. Even the best cooks make mistakes, but knowing what to watch for can help you avoid the most common pitfalls. First, don't overcrowd your pan. This traps steam and stops food from browning. Cook in batches if you need to. Always let meats rest before slicing, so the juices have time to settle. Skipping this step can turn a perfect roast into a dry one. Keep your knives sharp. A dull blade is more dangerous and makes prep harder. Be patient. Rushing leads to errors. Give sauces time to reduce, let doughs rise, and don't flip food too early. And finally, trust your senses. Taste as you go, adjust seasoning, and use your eyes and nose as your guides. Mistakes are part of learning. With practice, you'll spot small errors before they become big ones. There's nothing quite like the feeling of serving a stunning meal you made yourself. When you plate up your food, set the table, and see the smiles of your guests, or just enjoy it yourself, you'll feel a surge of pride and confidence. Cooking a 5-star meal at home isn't about impressing others, it's about discovering what you can achieve with simple tools and a bit of care. Each step, from choosing ingredients to the final garnish, teaches you something new. The joy is in the process as much as the result. It's normal to feel nervous before you start. But remember, every great chef started as a beginner. With each meal, you'll get better, more creative, and more relaxed. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Soon you'll look back and realize just how far you've come, all without setting foot in culinary school. The most important lesson? Anyone can create a 5-star meal at home. You don't need a certificate or expensive gadgets, you just need patience, care, and a willingness to learn from each dish you make. Every meal is a new chance to practice, experiment, and improve. Don't be afraid to try new techniques or flavors. Mistakes are part of the journey, and often lead to your best discoveries. Cooking is a way to nourish yourself and those you love. When you put in extra effort, it shows. Over time, these small details become second nature, and what once felt difficult will feel simple and joyful. So, roll up your sleeves and get cooking. Your next 5-star meal is just a few steps away.